In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get promo code for CapCut. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in CapCut promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get promo code for CapCut. So go ahead and open any of it. Now you're going to find tons of offers and deals for CapCut. Just scroll down and go through it. 45% off, 12% off, 60% off, and many more. If you're interested in any of the offer, all you have to do is click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code. You can copy it. Now you can use this code for the CapCut subscription. Likewise, you can also check out other website. All you need to do is navigate to the website, check out the deals, and select the deal that you wanna grab. And that's it. This way you can easily get promo code for CapCut. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.